old. I come from Cirebon, West Java of Indonesia. I am Muslim. I am married. My weight is 70 kg. My age is 161 cm. My last education is elementary school. I have two children. My daughter is 13 years old. My son is 8 years old. I have experience working before in Qatar 3 years, from 2022 until 2025. My job is take care to children. One boy 4 years old, one girl 3 years old. Feeding the food, have to shower, play with the children, cleaning the house, sweep the floor, mop the floor, wash the clothes, ironing. I can cook Indonesian food and I want to learn Chinese food. I can cook and handle pork, but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim. I want go to working in Hong Kong because I need more money for help my family and my future. I promise working in Hong Kong hard work until finish contract 2 years maybe or more. I'm finished. Introduce myself to you, ma'am, to you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.